Hi, good morning. Today is really sunny weather and today is day 4 and I'm going to Doki. My legs are still hurting me. I don't know if I could walk through that cleanest village of Asia, Maula Young. Let's see. And it's almost 7:30 in the morning. I want to go early because I want to feel that undisturbed water. So let's go. Chalo. Another 1 hour to reach Doki. We are going to Doki first, and I have ordered egg sandwich. This is good. Doki is total 75 kilometers from Upper Shillong. Around 2 hours. We have completed 1 hour journey already. It's 9 o'clock now.
Welcome to the real life fairyland, Doki, Meghalaya, India. About 80 kilometers south of Meghalaya's capital Shillong lies the quaint Doki that also boasts of connecting India and Bangladesh, not just geographically but also culturally. It also stands as a connecting point of two major hills, which are Jaintia Hills and Khasi Hills. A boat takes you along the gleaming stream that has different kind of fishes and snakes floating below and some colorful stones that lie at the bottom of the riverbed. As the boat floats along, you encounter sparkling cascades that drop down from stunning hills that are covered with green trees. Dotting the scene are twittering birds and fluttering butterflies. Further, you spot mysterious covers hidden between the ridges of the hills. Mesmerized already?
Hi, this river is so pretty and beautiful. It's feeling like Krabi from Thailand. And I have hired this boat for 1 hour. It's cost me 1200. They will show me the zero, which is in a borderline in between India and Bangladesh. And all the people are fishing over here. The scenic beauty is awesome. And I came early, so the water is less disturbed and you can see this green thing. Let me show you.
Situated in Meghalaya, India, on the border with Bangladesh, Doki is a small town in the lap of Jaintia Hills. Apart from being known as a coal exporter to Bangladesh and many places in India, Doki is also a place of immense natural beauty and sustainable tourism. For years now, this less explored wonder in the lap of hills and forest has gained attraction for its crystal clear waters of the Umgut River. One can easily find photographs of small ferries and boats sailing on emerald greenish clear water, which creating a illusion that boats are floating in the air. Considered one of the cleanest rivers in India, Ongad is the natural divide between the Jaintia and Khasi Hills, and it flows to Bangladesh through Dauki.
In front of this stream river, this is really deep over here, and this is the rocky island. In monsoon, this whole area used to drown in the river.
Hill, na?
Yeah, this is Jaintia Hill, and over there is Khasi Hill, and those are two different hill and two different districts. And this is the cleanest river of Asia, Umgat River. ठीक बोला ना? Umgat River. हाँ? Okay, Umgat River. This whole area is Bangladesh area. You can't enter over there. There is no physical border, of course. There are CRPF camp also. And this is the Bangladesh area. This is the Bangladesh border. This is India and that side is Bangladesh. How cool is that, now? Get a look of this border. Thanks to my diver bhaiya. In front of Bombrit Falls. It's on the way to Maulayang.
The cleanest village in India, Maulayang village is also known as God's own garden, and for all the right reasons. Recently, Maulayang was awarded the title of the cleanest village in Asia by Discover India. Alongside cleanliness, the village have achieved a lot big in 100% literacy rate, or a woman empowerment scenario that the rest of the world can only dream of. The cleanest village in Asia, Maulayang, is mainly inhabited by Khasi tribe, the famous tribe in Here, the children of the family get their mother's surname, and the wealth is passed down from the mother to the youngest daughter of the family. The living root bridges in Mawlyang have been declared an UNESCO World Heritage Site. Hanging on a river, the bridges are made by connecting the aerial roots of the massive rubber tree with another. One of the most popular attractions of Mawlyang village is the Sky View, which is the vantage point, and the site has a viewing tower which is 85 feet high and completely out of bamboo. The landscape of Bangladesh is visible from atop the tower, as this village is situated on the Indo-Bangladesh border. The entry fee to this place is 10 rupees per person. This quiet of the brooding Mawlyang jungle is interrupted by the sound of the Mawlyang waterfall. This is the perfect place to relax after a long day of sightseeing and to have a picnic with your closed ones. A major attraction of the village is an 100-year-old structure which stands testimony to time and has still managed to hold its old world charm. Blossoms of red and oranges with loads of greenery surrounded the premises, giving a regal look.
We have decided to go with local food. So there is some local shop so that we can try some local foods like rice, dal, sabzi. So we have dal, chicken. Good. Thank you. Food is good. अच्छा है. Good morning to all of you. Yesterday my GoPro battery completely drenched out, so I couldn't finish the video properly. And yesterday was so amazing day. It was. I had so much fun at Tauki, boat riding and all. I have tried some local cuisine, the cleanest village as well. And today's plan I have not yet decided, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Till then, thank you for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions in comment section below. Till then, thank you for watching. Tada!